is go to the Workspace tab and click on the Create plus sign. In order to get to the Workspace page, you need to give your workspace a title. Once you have your title, you can click Save as a Draft. First, we're going to look at the 3 dots button. When you click on that, you can edit your workspace's name as well as add a description. The 3 dots also allows you to edit the column heading names. It automates goals, resources, evidence, and rubrics, but you can change these columns into anything you'd like. The cards in column 1, 3, and 4 are used to give the students resources to view. To create a card, you click the plus sign. You add your title, a description, which might be like the objectives listed, learning targets listed, and then you can upload any type of media that is listed here, a Google Doc, a file from your computer, or a link to a website or video. If you create new, you can create the document yourself. Column 3 is the only card type where students can submit a card back to you after they've made modifications to it. Click on the plus sign. You can add your title, description, or instructions, and then you can upload a document via Google Docs, your computer, or a link from the internet. You could even create a new doc, and those docs include a Google Doc, sheet, slide, or even a drawing. You can schedule a start date, a due date, and even add it to specific groups. Click Done, and the card's saved. Over here, students can actually add cards into columns 2 and 3. You can keep this on, and students will be able to add their own cards to your workspace, or you can turn it off. Depending on your project, you may decide to turn that on or off. You can add a new section simply by clicking Add Section. One of my favorite features is the Students and Group tab, because I can use one workspace and share it with multiple classes. Just click Add a Group, pick a color, and click Next, and you have a group. To add students to the group, you'll see a list of your classes on the margin. You just click and drag them in. You can even click and drag the whole class. Once your workspace is officially completed, you just click the Publish button. Once you've clicked the Publish button, the workspace will show up for your learners, and you can copy and paste your link for the workspace into your Google Classroom page. One great thing about a workspace is that even after you publish, you can still make continuous edit and changes to the workspace, so it's not set in stone.